Hi. So the question is, which is the technique used by Mendel for carrying out hybridization in plants? So hybridization means to create hybrids by mixing one or two characteristics. Now, how is this done in the case of plants? So what did Mendel do was, suppose this is a flower, okay? This is the stigma of the flower, and here are the stamens that are the main part which contain the pollen grain. Now, if you want to hybridize this plant, what you're going to do is you're going to use pollen grains from any other flower. Yes, so if suppose pollen grains from any other flower are supposed to be used on this particular flower, for that we will have to cut off these particular stamens. So these stamens that we see over here, these stamens were cut off. Okay, when we cut off these stamens, after that, what is left? So in the flower, what will be left? Only the stigma will be left. Only the stigma will be left and the stamens are cut off. Okay. So in this case, we will see, so this particular procedure is called as emasculation. So emasculation means the cutting of the anther. So this is the first thing that it is. And after emasculation, there should not be any contamination, okay, of any other pollen grain. So what do we need to do? We need to put a bag on this stigma. This is called as the second step which we did is called as bagging. So emasculation and bagging is done. This is what Mendel used, emasculation and bagging. Let's have a look at the third option, that is protoplast fusion. So what is protoplast fusion? Protoplast fusion is when in a plant cell, if you remove the cell wall, this is the cell membrane. So in a plant cell, if you remove the cell wall and only cell membrane remains, that is called as the protoplast. And two protoplasts are fused in some cases of hybridization. But that was not what Mendel did, because these techniques have come recently. At his time, there was only emasculation and bagging which he could do. So the correct option would be your option number 4. We saw that protoplast fusion was not what Mendel did. It is an advanced technology. Only 1 and 2 he was able to do. So the correct option that we have over here is your option 4.